And it's time now for Guiding Your Home Financing Journey with John Schwab. Join John as he addresses common concerns and questions regarding financing or refinancing for a home. John Schwab is Senior Loan Officer for First Centennial Mortgage with over 20 years in the industry. For more information, visit johnschwabmortgages.com. And John joins us on the phone line. Good morning, John.
Good morning, everybody. Hi. I always like to update you on things that have happened since the last show, and I'm hoping all of you are listening each week, but just in case, we'll start from the beginning. But anyway, I guide you through what is happening, and right now this week, I wanted to let everybody know that the contracts coming in on purchases are not going over the asking prices anymore. That pretty much is done. So as expected, they were not going to do that. Some of the other things that people, when I'm talking out in the field, are hearing that I think is misinformation, that they're expecting this major collapse like we had, and prices are going to come down, or you should sell your house and rent and wait for everything to come back. There is nothing in the data that I'm seeing that's going to bring the housing market to a crash. What caused that before was just a lot of mistakes with the bonds overseas and everything else, and that isn't going to happen again. Now, things may go flat, but I don't see anything going down. And I'm just looking at my almost 25 years of experience of doing this every single day. The data that I have, even though we're in unprecedented times, I am not seeing anything that's saying hold off and wait. No, it's the other way around, is that now the bargains are starting to pop up where people are like, okay, we're not getting in the bidding wars, but I want to move anyway, so let's do it. So this is a golden opportunity to discuss this with me, your options. Because there's two things you're going to be concerned with, is what is my new monthly payment and how much do I have to come up with? Well, ideally, even if you don't have a lot of equity in your home, there's other programs out there. And there's other things out there for two. You don't have to be a first-time home buyer, but you can go as little as 1% down with the aid of the state of Illinois. There are some restrictions. I'd be happy to go over that with you, but it's nothing that's all that crazy, and it's nothing that you shouldn't worry yourself about. The state helps you out with a 0% interest loan on any of your down payment assistance, and they also have zero payments in some of their programs. So this is really an ideal time. Now, the one thing I have seen to people who are renting out there is that you can purchase and your monthly payment is going to be at or below your rent because the rents have not come down. In fact, they're going the other way. So if you own, this is a great time to do it. So there's many things out there. And then for those who have just kind of waited on a refinance or whatever experience you had in the past, whatever problem you may have had, give me a call. All that has changed, and I'll make it easy for you. And rates have come down again, and this is kind of your window to go ahead and do it. Everything's on sale. Everything is pointing to your direction here. And if you're saying, oh, my credit was this, my credit was that, things have changed. So, this is a good time to take a look at things and see what's out there. We basically look for every way to get your loan approved, and we're not, like a typical where, now we're going to make you do this, this, and this. You get your approval right away. And one thing I prided myself is when you get a yes from me, it stays a yes. You don't get a yes and then here it comes. So, but I'm also not afraid to tell you a quick no, but I'm also going to give you a plan B of, okay, if we couldn't get you through on this, let's do that. So those are some of the things that are happening out there. And I just wanted to kind of just let everybody know, please get a hold of me. Those that have, I've made it worth their while. And I enjoy talking to you, and you get me live. So it's not like you're going to get my assistant or you can never get a hold of me. Right after the show, always get a kick out of the first person that calls in, says, I just heard you. So, or they get to my website and talk to me that way. So either way you can do it is awesome.
Yeah, John is very accessible. I'm going to give you his direct line right now. This is the number I called 5 minutes ago to get a hold of him, 630-532-3700. 632-3199, 630-532-3199. It's Guiding Your Home Financing Journey, brought to you by John Schwab of First Centennial Mortgage. For more information about financing a home purchase or refinancing, you can visit johnschwabmortgages.com. John Schwab, NMLS number 223945, First Centennial Mortgage, Equal Housing Opportunity, NMLS 132763, Illinois Residential Mortgage Licensee, MB0004239. Make sure you join us again next time for another edition of Guiding Your Home Financing Journey. John, take care. We'll talk to you soon.
Thank you.